Being charged with stunt driving in Ontario can be a very scary and confusing event. The officer who charged you doesn't even have to explain the details of the roadside. Their reading, their radar reading, or their judgment is enough to warrant that 14-day impound and that 30-day suspension. But understanding the implications of the charge is very important. So here are 3 important facts about the 14-day tow and impound that follows your stunt driving charge. 1, call the impound lot after 24 hours. Roughly after 24 hours after your car has been impounded, you should call the tow yard lot and speak to someone who can tell you what that cost will be after the 14 days when you're eligible to pick up your car. And this will include the tow charge, the storage fees, taxes, extra fees, and any other costs that you incurred when your car was towed and impounded for your stunt driving charge. This way, there will be no surprises after the 14 days when you pick up the car. And generally, these fees are controlled by agreements with police and the tow yards. But it is still always a good idea to avoid any surprises. After all, this is your vehicle and your money. 2, you cannot get your car back from impound before that 14 days. The stunt driving laws don't account for the following. The car doesn't belong to you, or you need the car for work, or you need the car for your family, or the car is a rental car, or the car is a company vehicle. So there is no real way to get the car back early. You can try, but the chances of success are very low. If the car is a rental, the rental company usually has a clause that will take care of the impound and pick up the car. And of course, the cost will be passed on to you. 3, even if the charges are withdrawn or dismissed at a later date, you cannot recover your impound fees. The charges in court and the results from court occur after the impound. They are not directly linked together. The impound and suspension at the roadside, these are immediate penalties based on the officer laying the charges. There is not really a due process for this. So once the officer lays a stunt driving charge, the roadside penalties are in effect, and all costs associated with this, regardless of the outcome of your court case, occur. So all of this can be very confusing and frustrating. Listen, stunt it's such a serious charge because if the charges are not handled with a proper strategy, you risk such major penalties, including that mandatory 1 to 3 year license suspension. So it is always worth a free call to the a stunt driving law firm to fully understand the charges, the court process, and a strategy that will keep you driving.